Alright, hopefully I can capture how loud this disk drive is before I try to fix it. Let's see. Get a game in there. Hear that? It actually is installing. It works. Reads the game, obviously. That's not normal, though. Might actually be having so much trouble that's starting and stopping. I don't know. I'm going to open it up and clean up the disk drive as much as I can, and the fan too, if that's not somehow not coming from the disk drive. Alright, let's get this opened up all the way to the disk drive and check it out. Oh, it's already been opened. Okay. I thought it might be because there was a little bit of indication here. The sticker is a little bit bent up. And this over here, this other sticker is a little bit off. It's not aligned a lot, perfectly. Okay. Well, I mean, the Xbox works, seems to work everything. The HDMI port's good. I haven't tested Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I've tested wireless controllers and wired controllers. The disk drive works, but obviously it's loud. That's the main thing I'm looking at right now. Well, I like how easy it is to get the disk drive out. I also don't know if these are married to the system, to the motherboard. Guess I'll have to get this opened up, put the system down. Okay, see if I can zoom in. Okay. So it pulls the disc in fine, so it's not just the rollers being dirty. I wonder if the gears may be skipping, or like the rubber track here might be loose or something. I wish this opened from the top side. Oh wow, it looks like the whole thing is coming out. Yep. I just removed the entire top metal. I did not expect that. This just slid out. Okay. How that's tweaked right there. Oh, I do see a broken tooth. The first tooth here. Broken. Dang. That's pretty loose. Guess that's as far as that goes. I mean, there's a tiny bit of dust on the rollers, but otherwise this thing looks brand new, so I don't know what I'm going to accomplish by taking this further apart. And I can't do anything about a broken tooth on a plastic gear. All I can do is try to swap this disk drive, which I do have some. I have a couple extra disk drives, unfortunately, from systems that didn't get fixed. That's not really a repair, but like I said, if it's this broken tooth, then I can't do anything about that. Like, I can try and super glue something, but it's just not going to be as strong as it's supposed to be. It's going to break off. maybe I could plastic weld, but I don't think it's going to be perfect. And if that's causing the problem, you know, it could be something else causing the problem, but I see something already that I can't fix. So I'm going to try to just swap the disk drive with one that I assume is good, but it's from a system that I couldn't get to boot up, so I can't actually say the state of the disk drive that I'm going to use. Alright, I'm going to grab that, put the new disk drive in, and put this back together and see what happens. I'm about to test this disk drive in here. Basically, should work fine, but this will just tell me if you can swap disk drives, because I don't know that. I'm sure everybody else does, though. It's not really a quote-unquote repair, you know, like I would have liked, but... Oh, there's a problem with the disk drive. You can still use the Xbox One to replace this. Okay. Huh. You can't swap disk drives? Do I have to take the main board and swap it? Okay. I guess I'll do that. That'll be more interesting for the video. So it looks like I need to take the main board out of this broken one so that the system thinks that it's still working with the same disk drive. And then the only difference will be the physical gears and everything from the hopefully working fine one that I have right here. Alright, so get the good main board out. Okay, 3 ribbon cables there. Okay, looks like there's another cable. Oh, the motor is soldered into here, so to get that off. And they're conveniently labeled B and R for black and red. Okay. That's the board we want. Don't want that drive. I'm gonna put the other board in this messed up drive here though, just to keep things nice and neat. I mean, it works. It's just loud. Maybe I'll attempt to look closer into the gears system, or maybe I can somehow buy some gears, or I'll get a dead drive with a dead board and I can't you know, I'll just use it for, you know, to swap into or whatever. So okay, it's the physically good drive. Okay, set that aside. This plugged in. Okay, get this put in there and test it out. All right, here we go. Let's get the disc. Drop it. Hey, there you go. No complaints. Oh my god. It's still super loud. How could that be? Okay. So, the drive cushion is there. So you can see the rubbery thing there. But it's still loud as hell. Is there another piece of rubber missing somewhere in there? What in the world? So that disc rod might be perfectly fine minus that broken gear. Oh, guess that wasn't in all the way. What? Okay, I'm gonna take a closer look at this. That's still too loud. So I'm pretty sure this just needed the screws, all the screws to be screwed in for the optical vibration thing, so. I don't know why this was open in the first place. I'm gonna have to finish checking absolutely everything on it. I haven't checked Wi-Fi or Ethernet, or all the USB ports. Yeah, I don't know. It does 4K, 120. I'm not sure what else. It does wireless controllers. Put the disc in. Still kind of loud, I think. I think it still sounds terrible. Alright, I'm ready to try this again. Took it completely apart. New thermal paste and tons of screws were missing. So I'm just thinking that it's rattling around because something's loose. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, that was fast. I don't know if that's too loud. I feel like it still has a little bit of extra rattle in it that it shouldn't have. I think it's quieter. Still works. I'm gonna compare it to mine, my personal one behind it. Okay, here's mine. Same disc. I think mine is a little bit quieter.